Now if I press menu, I'll connect to the corresponding controller, Zone D Reservoir, which is this. And if I go back here to Zone C Reservoir, by pressing menu here, I'll connect to the Zone C Reservoir controller, which is another one like this in Zone C. And let's go back to Zone C Climate. So pressing menu here would connect me to the climate controller in Zone C, which is one just like this. And it's set to Zone C. And remember, you can set these units to any zone you like. It's very simple to set. I'll show you that very soon. And same with these, of course. Just set it to any zone you like. And let's go back to Zone D. Zone D. Let's press menu. And it'll connect to this controller. So we've just unlocked the menu. Hold to go into settings menu. Press menu again to go back home. And note that it doesn't need to load the next time. It goes straight in. Go back. And I was holding menu, so it says hold for settings. So it goes into the settings menu. If you quick press, you go to quick settings. See there? And then next one, day and night water temperature, feed schedule, and lighting schedule. And back home. So let's go through there again. Back to here, water temperature. So just note that the parameters you see here are what's saved inside here. Saved to memory. It doesn't matter if you have a power outage. And it'll maintain a day and night temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. You can set these independently. But remember that the HC port, so heater and chiller port, is currently set to run a mixer. That's the mixer pump. So this is not relevant. And I'll show you how to set these optional ports. It's very easy. And also on your climate controller, you've got 6 optional ports. They're all optional. So you can run cycle timers and also a lighting timer. So you got feed, cycle timer, and a lighting timer. So you can run basically any piece of equipment you might have. And then next one, feed schedule. And this is also again what's saved in here, saved to memory. And of course your feed schedule is controlling this outlet here. So your feed pump is plugged in there. And your feed schedule will determine when this is activated. So it's currently set to cycle timer mode. 30 seconds on, 7 hours and 40 minutes off. And that's as simple as that. To set it, so let's press set to go down to here. Set the on duration with the arrows. Goes down to 1 second. And to set it, just press set. Now we're here. Off duration, same thing, just with the arrows. These go down to 1 second and up to 24 hours. And on the other cycle timers, they go up to 240 hours. So, actually, I think the off time goes higher than 24 hours. Yeah, this one goes to 240 hours, and your on duration is limited to 24 hours. And all the way down to 1 second. So very versatile. And to actually save it and set it, press set, and it'll send this over to here and save it to memory. Very easy, just press set. I don't want to set it there, so I'm going to press menu to cancel. And now we're at the lighting schedule. Same thing with the arrows. Change the start time. This is your 24-hour light timer. So let's say set it to there, 7:35, 12 hours. And just press set. I'll set it. And it's saved. It just sent it to here and saved it. And what your lighting timer is for, the reason you set that is because if you want to set an independent night feed schedule, then you need to tell it when your day starts and how long the day lasts. So it starts at 7:35 and it goes for 12 hours and then it's dark. And that's why you might want to set that. And the other reason is you might want to run actual grow lighting off this. Normally you would use the climate controller to run grow lighting, but let's say you don't have this yet, then you could use one of these ports to run grow lighting. And I'll show you how to set these optional ports very soon. And menu to go back home. So by long pressing menu, we go into settings menu. And from here to scroll down, use the arrows to go down and back up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 back to the top. Very easy to navigate. And from here, the arrow tells you that you can move to the other page. So other page, down, 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 up, up, back to that page. And that's how simple it is. And then to enter any of these submenus, press set. And to go back, press menu. So let's go in there and go back out. In and back out. That's it. Set to go in, menu to go back out. Let's go down to calibrate, go in and back out. In, and then into one of these, let's say. Let's go into cal pH, press set, and then you've got another submenu. Easy cal. Easy cal is the only one you'd be doing. It's the recommended mode. It's a digital calibration for the pH meter. You've also got analog cal, which would mean you need to use that screw there where it says cal. But easy cal is the best one. It's more precise. No need for using the screw. And easier to follow. Let's show you that. So press set to go in. Next. Set your low point. You can change that. So 4 is the most common one. In your high point, 7.0. You can change that too. Then press next. Then just follow the instructions. It's very simple to calibrate. But I'll abort. I won't go through that. And another thing I'll just show you is by holding menu when you're already in the menu. So let's go in. And let's go in to say there, and then there, and then there. So instead of pressing menu like 3 times, let's say 1, 2, 3 to go back home. So let's go back in. So this is where we were. So instead of pressing 3 times, just hold it for a second and you go straight home. And that's same with all your menus. So whenever you just want to go straight back home, just hold menu and that's it. So now I can actually start showing you how to program your settings for your controller. and the doser.